Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And I'm out here at the park. It's kind of getting dark, so I guess we can say this is a semi-night flight. And it's Throwback Thursday, y'all. So I'm out here with one of my classic quads. A lot of you guys have been asking what's my favorite quad to fly. What's my absolute favorite? And I say it'd have to be this guy right here. This is my Huiying Toys X6058, one of 3 that I have left, and this is the original one with really awesome flying characteristics. And I got this one does look different from the way it usually looks because I got my art skills together to give this thing a Venom theme. And so I try to make this thing look like Venom as much as I can. So I've been calling this my X6058 Venom. And just real awesome flyer. And you guys see that I did my little modification to it to more modernize this thing. And so let's just get this guy up in the air and fly. It's starting to get dark out here. I don't know how these lights up here are gonna be, but let's get it. There you go. I think I have everything set up on it. Check out the yaw rate. The yaw rate is pretty fast. The pitch is really deep. Check out the funnel. Awesome night lights on it. And it flips nice too. I'm gonna try to fly it up high so you guys can see it. It almost flips immediately. I haven't flown this guy in a while. I did do some maintenance on it recently. Thus, it does have that PA 2.0 connection on it now. One of the things I like to do with it, suicide. Oh man, looks like my battery is going kaput on me. But I do have a backup battery, so let's bring it down and just swap the battery out. I had this battery sitting out. I think I might have damaged it because it is one of the newer batteries. And usually these batteries hold a nice charge. The good thing is that they're very accessible. Really easy to get these batteries off Amazon. So let's see. Hopefully this one here held its charge better. Uh-oh, I'm not getting anything from this one. Ah man, and it actually looks like my soldering job was bad. That's what it was. So check it out, y'all. So one of my battery leads came loose. So I guess that's all we're going to be able to get. Unfortunately, I should have flown it around a little bit more before I took the battery off, but maybe that's why the battery wasn't, maybe that's why the battery charge wasn't holding up. Maybe it was holding up and it was just the voltage getting to the board here because this lead was about to come off. A bad soldering job. Gonna have to get back on that. And hopefully by the time you guys see this, I'll probably get back home and get this thing soldered back up and give you guys another flight of this guy. The Huiying Toys X6058 Venom. Thanks for watching.